Today I'm going to show you how to use Eclipse solve computing Olympiad problems. Let's create a new mainline project. Take default, put your name in here, and put project name. Let's finish. I need change using right now is 1.5. I want to modify this one to be more later version. First of all, change to 4.11, the later version of JUnit. I need to change the Java versions to be 1.8, which I'm running on right now. Let's see, you can Google it. Google this mainline compile problem Java 8. Find these sections, which I copy. Okay. Now we go to math Olympiad problems. This problem is we try to find out the total length has been paint, and there are two persons paint. Unfortunately, they don't connect very well, and they have an overlap. For example, the John will paint between 7 and 10s. Bessie paints 4 and 8, and they overlap by 1, and that's why the output is 6. And let's define the problem first. You can find this one online for USACO the December context bronze version. Let's define the problem first. Try to find the length having paint. If there is no overlap, this is simply adding together. Now we want to check all kinds of conditions. Let's see, I write a test case first. All kind of test case I can think about, right? And change this one to this one. And let's go through that one. I need to test these programs. I can figure out I have multiple. Let's system under test. SUT stands for system under test. Let's see, the first scenario is I think we don't have any overlap. Length is SUT dot length. Let's see, if 1, 3, 4, 8, we simply should add it together. That should be 2, 6. Let's see what happens here. That runs for this scenario. Meanwhile, we'll flip over between the sequence. Because sequence between two persons doesn't really matters. They should give you the same result. Let's see what happens. Okay, nice, that works. That's a revisited problem. Let's see, the sample problem input. We got the sample input. The 7 between 7, 10, and 4, 8. That should be 6. What happens? Right. Each time, create the two corresponding test cases. 7, 10, 4. 8. That should be 6. And meanwhile, we flip over between these two persons. That should have some results. Okay. let's see what happens here. Okay, oops, it doesn't work, right? Because we have overlap. The overlap condition we didn't count, right? Okay, we have these non-overlap conditions. Well, the sequence could be A, B, C, D in strict sequence, or we'll flip over the sequence A and B. That means C greater than equal to B, or A greater than equal to D. That'll be fine. There's no overlap. What happens with the other overlapping cases? Else if, let's see, A less than C. In this case, if A is less than C, not less than C, and then B is definitely greater than the C. Now it's about a relationship between B and D, right? Let's see, if B is less than D, less than equal to D, that means A, C, B, D. With just these two ends will have an overlap. Overlap by B and C. Else, condition is A, C, D, B. This A and B completely include C and D, and we no longer need to consider C and B anymore. But the answer will be like this. Well, this case is A. Okay. What this happens is C. A will be greater than C, and we know A will be less than D. Otherwise, we will already exclude by these conditions. Again, it's between the relationship between B and D. Let's see. If B less than equal to D, what happens is C, A, B, D. C, D completely include A and B. We don't need to calculate B, A and B anymore. Otherwise, it's overlapping. C, A, D, B will overlap by D and A. D minus A. Okay. Now we see what happens. Our case works, right? But we only cover 4 kind of cases, and with the include cases are not covered. We need to add in more test case. If this one's 7 and 8, let's see, then this one A and B include C and D. Just reverse, because there are 2 persons who come first. That really matters. Now we have the 4 test cases. Okay, nice, everything works. We have full confidence the program will go correctly. Now we'll do the input-output for this program to say they need to read the input from this file and print the result on output files. We know how to do on the consoles, read from console. Read from file is not much different. Let's see, we're using scanner API. If you want to find out While available, control space. Now, file, page.int. Now, it's possible to write throughout exceptions when not handling it to reduce the complexity. Okay. For each read, you need to close the stuff at the end. Maybe habit it always happen like this way. Now we read A, B, C, D. Auto scanner. A equals scanner. Okay. B, C, D. Okay, we need to copy the results. Let's see. This one. This one. Okay. Nice. Now we can input up to the console. You guys will find the console not much different. We can control. Hold on the control key. Click into this one. You find this type is a print string, right? Then you can construct one string from file for output. String. Okay, we should close it. And there's no difference here. Alright, let's try it out. Oh, sorry, I didn't put in the file right. Pend.int 71048. Let's run it again. Okay, refresh the stuff. You'll see in output file. Yeah, it's 6, correct. This concludes this